Hello, y'all. This is Greg Flores. I'm the founder of Soul Solutions. We're a great local company here in Dallas, Fort Worth, and we service the surrounding areas. If you have any questions about window installation or the process, or maybe you're thinking about changing out that old patio door, we'd love to help. We feature a great line of energy efficient windows, patio doors, and rain guttering for every home. Take a minute and preview our website at ntxsol.com. If you like what you see, give us a call. You can reach us at 469-708-8151, or you can fill out the Get an Estimate box on our website, and someone will reach you shortly. Thank you for taking a minute and allowing me to introduce myself. My name is Greg Flores, and I am the founder of Soul Solutions. Have a good day.
Greg Flores, the gosh darn it guy with Soul Solutions.